What's happening, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to add free hi-hat lifts to your grooves without any extra effort. Let's get started. So welcome in, guys. I hope you're all well. It's an awesome day to learn some drums, and I've got a really cool idea to show you. Today I'm going to show you some hidden hi-hat lifts. Now what we're going to do is we're going to play either a quarter note or an upbeat eighth note in our groove, and then we're going to decide which note is going to give us the lift in that. So if I play a quarter note, that means I'm playing 1, 2, 3, 4, smashing that left foot down. Let's say we're doing like an eighth note groove up here or on the cowbell or something. If I have to close the foot, I have to lift it. And I'll be lifting the note before, which is the A. So if I was to, for instance, play the A of 2 up, instead of a ghost note here, up on the hi-hat here, I would get a hi-hat lift. Sounds like this. You noticed I played the E there as well, and I didn't get a sound. Now what if we flip it? Let's put the hi-hat on the and, so we get a nice bounce to our groove. It's an awesome thing to be able to do. I definitely recommend you practice it. Now the E would become an open note for the hi-hat lift, and the A would be closed off to us. That's going to sound like this. So now it's up to you to take that wherever you want to do it. Obviously we could do any style or any groove that has a quarter note or a left foot sound, and the note right before that would be open up for a hi-hat lift without you having to do any extra effort. There's no coordination involved other than being able to play the quarter note or the upbeat eighth note. Hope you guys dug this lesson. If you did, smash that subscribe button, get onto those likes, and I will see you next week. Take care.